How to use Lidl Plus app. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to use the Lidl app. Now, as you can see on our screen, we have the option to select the stores. For example, we would like to choose the wine tour. If you click on the wine tour just like this, you will be able to view the specific store and you will be able to see the pricing or the price of each item. So you could either heart it to have it on your shopping list, or you could open it to see more information about the product just like this. And going to your shopping list, you will be able to easily add more by clicking on plus. You could enter a new entry over here and enter a new description. And this will be now your checklist or your shopping list. Now, you can't really, or there is no real option for you to be able to check it out or check out wherein it will be delivered to you, but it will serve as like your online shopping list for your different items that you want to buy. There's also some online leaflets over here that you might find useful. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.